and welcome to my channel. This is Shagufta and today I'll be sharing the recipe of stuffed bell peppers. Bell peppers can be prepared with a variety of stuffings which could be vegetarian such as paneer or mixed vegetables or a non-veg stuffing such as chicken mince or mutton mince. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of stuffed bell peppers with mutton mince stuffing. The look of these red bell peppers with loads of cheese and baked till they are charred is a beautiful presentation. A must-have dish when you're having your friends over. But before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my upcoming videos. Bell peppers hold their shape well, so they are a good choice of vegetable when you want to have some stuffing and bake them. Also, they have a very subtle flavor, so they go with most combinations like paneer or any mince. Today I have stuffed and baked the bell peppers on a bed of sliced potatoes and topped them with a flavoursome sauce and cheese. So let's start with making the stuffing. The list of ingredients is on the screen and even in the description box below. We will start with heating 1/4 cup olive oil and saute 1 tablespoon chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon chopped celery for a minute. To this we will add 2 chopped onions and saute the onions till they are translucent. We will now add 2 chopped tomatoes and mix it well. So now goes in 3 tablespoons tomato paste and 1 to 2 teaspoons chili paste. I am using red chili paste in this recipe, which I make by soaking some whole red chilies in some water for a few hours and then I grind them with some water and vinegar. I also add some oil to store it. You can adjust the chili paste according to how spicy the chilies are that you are using. To this we will now add 350 grams mutton mince and we'll mix it well. Season it with salt to taste and 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. We have even added red chili paste, so add black pepper powder accordingly. We don't want the dish to get too spicy. We will keep cooking on medium heat till the mince is semi-dry, and now we will add a handful of chopped parsley and we'll give it a good mix. So now the mixture looks like it's completely cooked. We will add 1 teaspoon dried oregano. We will dry the mince completely and looks like it's now ready. So we will now move on to the preparation of the sauce. You can check the list of ingredients in the description box below. We will heat 3 tablespoons of butter, to which we will add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon chopped celery. We will saute this for a minute. To this we will add 1 chopped onion and saute it till it's translucent. We will now add 2 chopped tomatoes and salt to taste. Now goes in 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon tomato paste and 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. We will mix this well. And when it comes to a boil, we will add 1 teaspoon dried oregano. We will bring this to a boil and turn off the heat. We will cool it down later and blend it into a sauce. We'll add some water if required, as we need a little thin consistency to pour it on top of our stuffed bell peppers. So now we will proceed with stuffing the bell peppers. Our mince has cooled down, so we will first mix 1 cup cooked rice in the mince. And 1 cup mozzarella cheese. I had cheese with some herbs, so I used that. You could use regular mozzarella cheese. We will mix it well. We will now core the bell peppers. And we'll remove all the seeds and ribs from inside. I used red bell peppers. You could use any color of your choice to make your dish look more colorful. Okay, so all our bell peppers are now done. We will now grease a dish with oil or butter and spread a layer of thickly sliced potatoes. So now we will start stuffing our bell peppers with the prepared stuffing of minced rice and cheese. We'll press it well inside. The rice is cooked, so the filling doesn't need any space to expand. So we can just fill it completely. Okay, so our stuffing is complete. We will now place the bell peppers on top of the layered potatoes. If they don't stand, you can even cut a small part from below the bell peppers so they stand. Otherwise, you could try adjusting them with the potatoes the way I am doing. We will now spoon the prepared sauce evenly on the potatoes and the bell peppers. This is the consistency we need of the sauce. We will only be pouring the sauce for now and won't top it with cheese as the bell peppers have to cook and we don't want the cheese to discolor or burn. We will add the cheese later. These will go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Keep checking in between to see that they don't burn. We will remove it from the oven and top it with cheese. If you want, you can even spread cheese on the potatoes. We will keep it in the oven for another 10 minutes till the cheese melts. Our stuffed bell peppers are now ready to be served. Serve them hot as a dish by itself or with any rice dish on the side. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it.